Garmin's Fenix watches are top-notch for adventure enthusiasts. They have fantastic solar charging and a tough build to handle rough conditions. What's really cool is their super accurate GPS. But even with all these features, Fenix 7 has some issues. Can Garmin fix them with Fenix 8 Pro and Beatwatch Ultra? Let's find out. In this video, we'll share all the newest info on Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and what we're expecting. Well, the first big improvement for the Fenix 8 Pro might be a fancy AMOLED display. The current Fenix 7 Pro uses a basic display to save battery, and if you want a more colorful screen, Garmin has the Epic series. Even though Fenix 7 is good outdoors, it feels a bit off to pay a lot just for the current display. Fenix 7 Pro is the first one with a touchscreen, showing Garmin is making it more user-friendly. For Fenix 8 Pro, we might get the best of both worlds: a bright display and good battery life. Garmin might also add a built-in microphone so you can make calls on the go without grabbing your phone. They did this with the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, and it's handy for using the voice assistant. Adding this feature to the Fenix 8 Pro will make it more valuable. You can call for help without touching your watch. Another cool thing could be more maps already loaded onto the watch. Certainly, with an increased storage capacity in the upcoming watch, Garmin can provide users with the freedom to add more maps, making it easier to explore diverse terrains without the worry of losing your way. When it comes to enhancements, Garmin should prioritize boosting their advanced health sensors and extending battery life, especially focusing on the heart rate sensor. In the Fenix 7, the heart rate tracking falls behind compared to Watch Ultra. In today's market, many smartwatches incorporate ECG sensors, and it's becoming common in fitness trackers. We expect Garmin to keep up with the trend and include an ECG sensor in the Fenix 8 Pro. Improving heart rate tracking is essential too. Finally, as battery life is crucial for a rugged watch like this, better solar charging for the Fenix 8 Pro can ensure prolonged use during hikes. This way, users can focus more on enjoying their outdoor activities without the constant worry of frequent watch charging. Avoiding an increase in battery size, which could make the watch less practical, makes enhancing solar charging a sensible choice. Now, the big question arises: is it worth waiting for the Fenix 8 Pro? Considering Garmin recently launched the Fenix 7, and there are still new versions popping up in the 7 series, it might be too soon for a major upgrade. If we observe Garmin's past launch patterns, they tend to introduce a new product every 2 years. So it's uncertain whether the Fenix 8 Pro will hit the shelves even in 2024. If I were in the market for a smartwatch, I wouldn't hold off on a purchase just yet. However, let's turn the conversation to you. What additional upgrades do you wish to see in the Fenix 8 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.